Home Remedies presents Why use coconut oil for dry eyes? Many of you would have heard that coconut oil is a great remedy for dry eyes. Is this true? And if so, how does it work? By the end of this video, you will be able to know the benefits of using coconut oil for dry eyes, including how to use it and whether it is safe for the eyes. The research. So far, no human studies on the effectiveness of coconut oil on dry eyes has been performed. However, the use of virgin coconut oil as a lubricant or re-wetting agents in rabbits has been evaluated. In the study, researchers divided 9 rabbits into 3 groups, with each group receiving a different type of eye drop. The first group received virgin coconut oil, the second group received a commercial eye drop, and the third group received a saline solution. The rabbits were given eye drops 3 times daily for 2 weeks. According to the results, virgin coconut oil successfully reduced dry eyes in the first group. It was just as effective as the commercial eye drops. The coconut oil didn't damage the rabbit's eyes, thus suggesting it's safe for humans to use for dry eyes. How to use? To use coconut oil for dry eyes, put 2 to 3 drops of oil into the affected eye, or soak a cotton ball in coconut oil and then place the cotton over your closed eyelids for about 10 to 15 minutes. Which oil is best? Using 100% organic virgin coconut oil is your safest choice. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.